Hey, so here is Transferwise. Now it's called Wise. And this is one of the top apps to cheaply and fastly transfer money abroad from one country to another. For example, if you live in United States, you want to transfer money to Poland or Germany or whatever. And then, you can just super easily do it via these apps. They also have like a card which you can order. And this app is supported in 170 countries. You can send money to over 80 countries. And it's much cheaper than just banks. So just download the app. So to install the app, just tap on the download or get button, and it's like 90 megabytes, and then you can just install it for free. But then to start the transfers, you will need to create your account, and then you will need to verify your identity and your country and all of that. So you can log in, register, or sign in with Apple. Hope that's helpful.